Frank ase kera tugukorera igoro y'abagosiri abaiga abake and of course ase ukubatumeka ase team are na netise chinde no nyani meyense no kurigereria impact yabo buyagose obobebo goche bwa ase team ase ngitora chinga kinyinge abagosiri abake buna mori na taba bari barabaya kera okorana akuna haja kware gotika tu babwatu ka seloni goso babwatu ke bagende bari gotika ase club na bari chokonya e team lakini kwanyora na chinga kinyinge no nyani meyense karati kana ne chinse chi kwanyora na bagosiri bari bakor ku young stars ni kurchi academy binyoro moiga barabaya lakini kwanyora timu ko invest kolia bagosiri abaiga bana na asengenche kwanyo ko asengencho labda mogosori na roch taga shine ase season yaerete bono kwanyora na club gete team gete nemo tagete team gete bidding ya chaka and then koma konyora abakabake na bwabo goche kweguna abande bachira Tanzania abande abali baligerete go Zambia and all that bayo ikona and na baro banyora libaga yogo shine and all that impact yogo ta investor go se yogo tatumeka abagosori abaiga abakabake.
I think abagosori abake mbabwenerete na baro konyora that opportunity na baro to showcase their talents because nonye na baba ne na batogote anga na babwat experience they at times mbalinga bake but sengencheri yo kwa opportunity na baro baga expose their talents baga ikase baigete usikuligeria abagosori mbali barure korunse balinga bake baga shine up to kuchigoro lyoka bono uligeria mogosori na Cristiano Messi he has been shining all the way Cristiano Ronaldo he has been shining all the way uligeria mogosori buna oyo mintana ikagukwanira gaiga Arsenal tiko invest on young players and of which I'm going go against the point yes
mention 5 players more invested
usikuligeria sayo mogosori toisekuchaka no mogosori buna Bukayo Saka na academy arwete Bukayo Saka nyiranga tali yagorire besa coach Arsenal toicho mogosori onden Ethan Nwaneri. However, na enda on loan but still is
on loan. No, he is coming back. Why will you take someone
on loan? Ekeroko nyoranga ki squad tubwate ndio ni isaine. Now that into gukubike bench
ayona more competition.
Itogokoena na guchimuinaria okenda okoreki onyore extra playing time the same thing that you did with your player nani Rashford now is coming back to Manchester.
Rashford was 20 what kerachi
no kinkiko garo mogosori na on loan
for the last 20 this was the first time Marco and Barcelona the first time Marco Manchester United Korueti imagine at 28 no player
now tuitomai gocha no mogosori tocha mogosori na Max Downman actually so far sayuse kuligeria nonye ratings chao sekulina na bakosori abange ba Manchester ina mba kunyara go fit ororo so Arsenal go invest here on young talents not that mbali go invest on them it's only that omogosori buna bono yakwanera heaven inera bwe ko demanding aki I want to live because tabu ati time yo goraki time tiyo yogo chiesa nere na atagete konyora extra time but rinde bona abantu atagete kubishanaga nachi kunyarana nabantu buna babo Saliba babo Timba babo Gabriel Magales na bugoche kurwaniriye namba ni ngumu to konyora time.
That's why we have more competitions.
Talents inchororo we nkoba chire build up lakini bono konyoranga ki you need as an individual no tagete time yao na yokoreki o explore your talent but bono time tiyo you go extra mile find a place where ese opportunity here he spotted an opportunity because defense yabo ya ringingia akaraga ali na bongo genda ngoriki na bongo enda nyole namba and of which alienda na akapata namba yeah so not that thing Arsenal they go invest on young talents
ama ite issue ne litara mention 5 na mata yo mention is Bukayo Saka bweka na ita no anerio karolo kwarori otire even urmani abumbata to tare kana mbata no nyo mention rio yo mobwe kora se team you go let's invest on young players that is why we have more competitions chi competition ne chikamna chiabe fed these players mbara allowed ko sorry igo we need not konya release players so tete ko invest ntoko genda chiro mono
tutaragenda so mutu mukonsechi dakikando che angebere to chakana semo yako Frank and of course tumanyi go cha semo ya Morin ase team ya Manchester United semo yago ne Arsenal na bogo ntochiko so asti team chinde new signings chia bwango chiria chia korekanire wetra ase team ya Arsenal nchire chechi and of course ekeraba iga bagocha mbarabi bali na boigo babwatukirwe ase obwango tuchakene team ya Arsenal bakosere bayibali baretro na boigo bali babwatukirwe bagosoka
I think tusikurigereria kurwa se timu ya Arsenal so far sai abagosori twa ndatebe nga Arsenal ya saindi n'abagosori bari ndatebe bari at a good standard n'abagosori batatu ngorenga ndakwanirabo uyo Bruno Guimaraes Piero Incapi na Cristo Solis abunkorengana bwa bagoso. However Incapi nyoranga agachita on loan now that akaegu time akera egu time nenda akaprove nga na deserve to remain on the team. That is why akaegu a contract officially. So I think abuna bwa bagoso linkorenganda akwanira. However mbaro tubwate buno mo emu goalkeeper naro tubwata ukurukunga Ilan Maslia. I think they are just 4. Ilan Maslia, Piero Incapi, Cristo Solis, na Bruno Guimaraes. Abuna bwa bagoso linkorenga Arsenal ya contract signing actually this season.
Manchester United.
I think nchenda tabe kurwa se Manchester United so far tobwate chi signing enya tobwate chi midfielder ibere tukatware goalkeeper yemo ne winger yemo abo ase tobwate player oyore midfielder kuruku Andre Santos kurwa se team ya Chelsea oyore midfielder tukagora umugosori kuruku Yori Tielemans oyina twanyate kurwa se club kerigi Aston Villa nabo igonere ne midfielder tukanyoro umugosori kunga Carl Dalo kurwa se team ya Leeds United oyore goalkeeper tukamekugora Tynan Thompson oyore winger kurwa se team area ya Tottenham Hotspur na karokuri ya sabagosori abaiga bosto anyariko batogo sign kero kurigere chi amount chitu anyariko batogo sign no monto bune goalkeeper oyo tuamugorite ase a free transfer Aston Villa tukanyora na 41M alafu na Chelsea tukanyora 48M Andre Santos iko so far kero kurigere nabo totumegete ase ange players abaiga bonsi bana botumegete chibese chimundo yo mase team gete yuntate tigo dispute ntate tigo dispute iko kero to kora signings this time tutete ko ba very clever and be wise and to ko batogo sign banto buna kero ko yebno mogosori buna Alexander Isaac korwa seti mweria ya Liverpool bagorete 150 lakini there's no value aretra city mweri is the same nechi injari go chia olenge bya seti ya Newcastle liko let's focus on our signings ntorigeri player keriaga ni team eyo go sekeria kore in the shortest while tuamutaka liko let's focus on our signings
aso bwenge otaragenda Chelsea record ni rega nkwaye kwanira kale labra aso bwenge okorana yabundire record abagosiri ambari abange sana
team ya Chelsea ankaithenga so far ntobwa ntikonya ko bakwanira because noche yale ko bangale romba bwa yale ko bangango chibari ko participate UCL kango bagolire kerege ntukerie go pumwa the same way bare ko kora la season kene yonzi kichaba yunga player gete kango nemba abo sinya bona bale go shine ase World Cup kango bona bare Chelsea iko bona kero kwanira Chelsea ase signings. There are those people who spend without minding. Mbabu kaini Arsenal umaite wikaba kesa. Makali umaite Arsenal.
If I go to tigarra nererie.
Arsenal have been running for the last 4 seasons. Arsenal have toured a very better seasons in that because chi position chi position 2. Chibe saba konyora kero ko qualify for UCL chibe sanchoro ko vanga go
lakini mbaka netiko chi spend
bona iko bona kinate abonya ndi Chelsea barenge UCL chibe sa chirichi yabo wangetumia zote as a signing iko kero ko ria team ya Chelsea we are not worried dinga squad babwatenga kiengani because we know them nembo nonga nerige ntoke all date ni ile awana competitions mingi na rode batakire kwa tap online nga tupatie hiyo trophy tutawapea tu sisi wapeanga mapema lakini tunajua mwezi shida iko most of the time team bune yo Chelsea wanalemewa na newly promoted team chirwete championship chabo Ipswich bona bachira cheko bachanda buna Sunderland ya bachanda you never know asense mo aero ya signings parabu it's their norm
Frankie dakika ya mataga ndo mutimoka
I think egendonda kwanere signings cha Chelsea actually Chelsea witumewazoea eba watanga their bosses awakwangi waoga kwa kutumia pesa but now chibesi jibabu chitumeka without matunda because it's could even from the previous season they still spent a lot kugoraba kwa solid but nande mbaba konye tirora paka bagakora na bachiti qualify even for the UCL igonga bono they are just participating tata benga na babara beba guchesa buna mani babeta baguchesa the other season one game in 1 month but still what one game in 1 month umakwenda go spend ubwati sayaba kwa soli 10 na the funny thing oligereria abagosori Chelsea kugora na abagaka bagotu so far bate
omogosori oyo mo togo single out Danny Welbeck
bono Danny Welbeck nando iranira inyoranga Danny Welbeck has been rotating in Premier League clubs gocha kurmaniu ugocha Arsenal ugoenda usemani Danny Welbeck has been around now however Danny Welbeck no mogosori umya but now look at the age umungwano ni service ya matukari ngara koe kwaretira abagosori babo aba muntu koreta bakumuntu bwate myaka 34 service ya how long agocha kwa na rabande bagote bali mutandao ngaligiringa the next signing our youth leader
Momo visa na rawa danga visa party leader tairu.
So Chelsea is looking for our party leader. Euroburu. Iko bono
lakini karota abagaka kero koligereria abagosori abaiga ba Chelsea abagaka osembabere.
Bona abagaka
babere abande n'abasaye.
Abagaka babiri bono kero koligereria a club like Chelsea na right walinge okwanira ku invest on young players. At times abagosori kero kwarorire age ya chira abange baguchi bakodra career cyabo ku Saudi Pro League which cyabo Arabic leagues lakini bono konyora
una sala bono igo gatiria simu moto metego
so far umugosori buna sala digiririo umugosori buna babo Messi ngaiba guchiba ngaiba kodra chinini cyabo chi talent cyabo muina ali soko kwenda kuritayira lakini bono nandinga abantu ababwenete kwenda guchali nandi baro nabukoirani league
okay
league very competitive
na very igo because kero kurigerie player koru asset tebe buno EPL because the EPL is the ndatebe league nene manyeka
yeah very competitive
nere bwate kirigento igo kero kurigerie kero players bako EPL bagenda se chitimwe chigachinde tebe na bachi semo ya Saudi aline chibesa bakwenda korosi bachire ninga buno rocho na sala timu asa ineti ngakyo kwa 5k pound for toilet papers